This module helps us learn base multiplication method. Any number like 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and so on is known as base. Base multiplication is applicable for multiplying numbers near any base. Base multiplication has the following three cases: case 1, case 2, case 3. Let us take an example of case 1. Say multiplication of two numbers 102 and 106. The nearest base is 100. Step 1. We subtract base from both the numbers and write the differences 02 and 06 respectively. We separate them from the original numbers by a partition. The answer consists of two parts, LHS and RHS. Step 2. For RHS, we find the product of the numbers on the right side of the partition. We need to ensure the number of digits in the product should be one less than that of the base. If it is less than that, we have to add additional 0 to the left of it, and if more, we need to carry forward the extra digit to LHS. In the given case, we find RHS as 12. Step 3. For LHS, we simply add either pair of numbers diagonally on the opposite side of the partition. In this case, the RHS is either 102 plus 6 or 106 plus 2, that is 108, both the ways. Final step, we get the net result by combining LHS and RHS, that is 10812. Special case A. Let us take an example of multiplication of 1002 and 1008. Here the nearest base is 1000. Step 1. We get the differences as 002 and 008 respectively. Step 2. The right RHS comes out to be 16, but as discussed earlier, we need to add 0 to the left of 16 and hence final RHS is 016. Step 3. The LHS is 1010, that is 1002 plus 8 or 1008 plus 2. Final step. Combining step 2 and 3, we get the net result as 1010016. Special case B. We take another example of multiplication 111 with 112. The nearest base is 100. Step 1. We find the differences from the base as 11 and 12 respectively. Step 2. The RHS is calculated as 132, that is 11 into 12, as number of digit must be 1 less than that of the base. We need to carry forward the extra digit 1 to the LHS. So the final RHS is 32. Step 3. We get the LHS as 124 by adding the carry of 1 to the sum of either pair of diagonal number, that is 111 plus 12 is equal to 123. Final step. The net answer is 12432. Take an example of case 2. Say multiplication of numbers 97 and 98. The nearest base is 100. Step 1. We get the difference by subtracting base from the numbers as we did earlier. But since the base is more than the number, differences comes out to be negative. In this case, we get the differences as -3 and -2 respectively. Step 2. As we did earlier in case 1, RHS comes to -3 into -2 is equal to 6. We add 0 to the left of 6 in order to make it two-digit number, as the base is 100, so the final RHS is 06. Step 3. For LHS, we simply add either pair of numbers diagonally, that is either sum of 97 and -2 or 98 and -3, so get the result as 95. Final step. We get the net result by combining LHS and RHS, that is 9506. Consider another example of multiplication of 92 with 87. The nearest base is 100. Step 1. We calculate the differences as -8 and -13 by subtracting the numbers from base 100. Step 2. The RHS is 104, that is -8 into -13. RHS has 3 digits, so we carry forward the extra digit 1 to the LHS. So our final RHS is 04. Step 3. The LHS comes out to be 79 by adding either 92 and -13 or 87 and -8. We get the final LHS 80 by adding carry forward of 1 from RHS to 79. Final step. The net result is 8004. Let us take an example of case 3. As multiplication of 103 and 96, the nearest base is 100. Step 1. We find out their differences from base as 03 and -04. Step 2. For RHS, we multiply the differences and the result is -12. Whenever the product is negative, we find the complement of product by Nicolum, that is all from 9 and last from 10. We get the final RHS as 88 by applying Nicolum on 1, 2. Step 3. For LHS, we simply add the numbers diagonally and the apply 1 less than 1 before to the result, and hence the final LHS is 98, that is 1 less than the sum of either 103 and -04 or 96 and 03. Final step. We combine the LHS and the RHS to get the net result as 9888. To summarize all 3 cases with examples, for the first case, take 103 into 105 as an example. Both the numbers are near 100, so the base is 100. Subtracting base from the numbers, we get 03 and 05. Now we multiply them from RHS, part of the answer. For LHS, we add either pair of numbers on the opposite sides of the partition diagonally. We get 108 as result. The net answer is 10815. For the second case, take 94 into 92 as an example. Subtracting base, that is 100, from the numbers we get -06 and -08 respectively. Now multiplying -06 and -08 together, we get 48 as RHS. We get the LHS as 86 by adding 94 -08 and either 92 -06. The net result is 8648. For the third case, take 102 into 97 as an example. Similarly, base is 100. Now subtract base from numbers. We get the result as showing on the slides. Now we multiplying the differences 02 and -03. We get -06 as RHS. Now apply all from 9 and last from 10 to RHS. In RHS, add diagonally and get 99 and 1 less than the one before to LHS for net result. The final result comes out to be 9894.